Welcome to Sticks and Stones Lab, a place to learn, build, and explore. Let's find some cool stuff. I'll grab this stick. I'll check my book. This will be awesome. Come on, you two. Let's see what we can build today.
Now I'll explain buoyancy.
What is buoyancy?
Watch this. I'll drop these sticks in the water. See? They float.
Wow, cool.
So, what's the first experiment taught us today? Buoyancy. It's why the stick floated in water. Yeah, buoyancy is the upward force of water. Right, so the stick was less dense than water.
Exactly.
Now let's test the buoyancy with the stone. We will see if the stone sinks or floats. Look, it sank because it's denser than water. Denser objects sink, less dense ones float.
Cool.
So what's the second experiment taught us today?
We learned about density. It's why the stone sank in water.
Right! The stone is denser than water, so it sinks. Exactly. You got it. So today we learned about density and buoyancy. Can you explain what we learned?
Yeah! Density is how heavy something is for its size. And buoyancy makes things float.
Exactly.
Thanks for explaining density. I get it now. So if I put a rock in water, it sinks because it's denser than water. Whoa, cool.
You got it.
Science is awesome.
Thank you for watching.
Keep exploring with Sticks and Stones Lab.
See you soon.
Bye.